The first high-speed patrol boat being built for Vietnam, under the $100 million line of credit, will be delivered by September. Hanoi is procuring 12 such boats for its border guard force under the lock extended in September 2014. We should be delivering the first boat this September. 5 boats will be built by L&T while the remaining will be built in Vietnam. We are trying to finish the boats by mid-2021. In 2016, India has extended another $500 million defense lock to Vietnam, and discussions are underway to identify the equipment. Defense sources said Vietnam has expressed interest in AWACS surface-to-air systems and Dhruv advanced light helicopters. India's foreign exchange reserves continued to surge in week ended 7th of February, hitting an all-time high of $473 billion. The RBI's reserves rose by $1.70 billion during the week under review, official data showed on Friday. According to the RBI's weekly statistical supplement, the overall foreign exchange reserves increased to $473 billion from $471.30 billion reported for the week ended 31st of January. French defense major Thales has decided to expand its presence in India to exploit billions of dollars of military requirements expected to flow from India's ambitious plan to roll out theater commands to deal with evolving security challenges. Pascal Cerise, Senior Executive Vice President, International Development, Thales, said creation of theater commands will fuel the need for radars, electronic warfare systems and weapons, and the firm is ready to meet the huge demands, including through joint production of military hardware. Brahmos Aerospace has been aiming to develop a hypersonic version of a missile that will be able to hit the target 5 times faster than the speed of sound. We are thinking to develop the air-to-air version with anti-AWACS capability. The range can be in excess of 400 to 500 kilometers, and the test will be sometime in the near future. The Indian Air Force is dependent upon the Russian missiles to destroy long-range radar surveillance and control systems for air defense. However, as Pakistan, India's neighboring state, could eventually purchase longer-range killer missile from China, the IF has shown interest in a missile that can destroy the enemy radar system from afar. Ahead of U.S. President Donald Trump's visit to India, the U.S. State Department approved the sale of integrated air defense weapon systems to India at a cost of $1.867 billion. Despite developing the country's own ballistic air defense system, the Indian government had requested to buy an integrated air defense weapon system, featuring the National Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile System. A group of Indian defense analysts hinted that the purchase of the American system could prove to be of major significance for India's air defense, which is faced with consistent threats from Pakistan as well as China.